Marte, Villamarin, kay Arturo. Arturo, what a fall! Mr. Mitigation and Mr. William and Mr. Law. Mr. Damante, all service outside. Mr. Villamarin, kay Mr. Mascareñas, Mr. Matura. Now, our movement. Mr. Tan once again on the service area. Kay Mr. Requesta, Mascareñas. Maduro. There was a closing station committed by Mr. David Maduro. Ang Mr. Maduro 3-2 in favor of Raptors.
Pamulas please.
Villamarin, limang tulong set. Kay Mr. Hagamba. Miscommunication by Mr. Hino and Mr. Hago. Once again. Mascareñas on the service area. Mascareñas. Maduro. Ako ang bola. Yan kay Mr. Hino, kay Mr. Lolo. Kay Mr. Maduro. There was another van shift committed by Mr. Hago. Mascareñas once again on the service area. Tan. Kay Mr. Hino, hindi pa bola kay Mr. Lamonte. Kay Mr. Villarreal, Maduro, Hago. Nabot ni Mr. Villarreal. Yes. Mr. Hago. Marte, kay Mr. Maduro. Maduro, kay Mr. Hina. Ako yung wala ako, parang kayo wala ako. Wala ko lang ako sa ako. Ako yung service, Mr. Rafuesa. Mr. Villarreal. Kay Bismillah, far away. Mr. Maduro on the service area. Dito. Ano na po yun? Outside. Mr. Maduro. Kay Mr. Hino, sinatagin sa naman yung paano ball is Mr. Lolo. Kay Mr. Hago, binalik ang bola. Set by Mr. Marty Pinalo din Mr. Mascareñas! Mr. Mascareñas. Ang score by 11-6 in favor of Raptors. Ay, tayo pala rather. 11-5. Mascareñas nakuha ng Marte kay Maduro. But Mr. Lamonte sa natin, Mr. Villamarin. Nakuha ng Mr. Requesta. Back on the net! Mr. Mascarenas to business on the net. Mr. Villamarine once again on the service area. Mr. Hisavilla from Mr. Marte. Nagaling sa ilang sa Nagul na mga tapang Mr. Hagon. Mr. Villa, set by Mr. Marte. Oh my God! Bumala si Mr. Mascarenas. Outside. Marte. The service ace by Mr. Marte on the second set. Nakikalamangan po ng Raptors in the second set. Marte. Hinaw. Mr. Lamonte. Kay Hago. There was a net touch once again by Mr. Mascarenas. However, referee, first international referee, Miss P, Miss Shannon. Lamonte. Kay Mr. Mascarenas. For touches violation. 13-8 in favor of Raptors. Ano ba? Hindi po. Pero pumili ko. Hindi pa. Lamonte, Mr. Lamonte on the service line once again. Nasa on the backcourt. 13-11 ng mga Bertrand Tigers in the second set. Mr. Lamonte. Double contact violation. Isa na lang. Service error of Mr. Lamonte. Now on the service line, Mr. Nolong on the Raptors. Point by Tigers. Service ace by Mr. Tan. Wow, Mr. Tan is on the service area once again. Tuesa. There's a concept violations of second referee, Miss Randolato. 15-13 in favor of Tigers. Change favor. Or there was an outside. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our SB member, Padawan, Marlon, and Kada. Good afternoon po. Mr. Hago on the service area. Service area for Mr. Hago once again on the Tigers. Mr. Hago once again on the service area. Once again, service ace by Mr. Hago. Ang score po natin is 18-15 in favor of Tigers. Outside po. Second po. All service ace by Mr. William. 16-15 in favor of Tigers. 1 point lead by Tigers team in the second quarter. After 18-17. Wow, all 18 once again. Service 8 by Mr. Hisurio. Mr. Hisurio. Mr. Tan, Mr. Venturo, pinakali ni Mr. Bilmay sa back row. Mr. Lamont, may kabalatan, Mr. Lola. Magturo. Outside, on the court. Nang service on the service line, Mr. Hinaw. Service on by Mr. Hinaw. Mr. Westa on the service line. Bilang Marvin, Magturo. Sinend Mr. Marvin Magturo. Bilang Marvin, once again, Mr. Lamonte, over the ball. Mr. Maite, wala drop ball by Mr. Maite. 2019 change favor, score team 1 goal lead by Raptors. 20. Bad luck 20. Now in the service line, Mr. David Magturo. Lona, kay Mr. Maite, kay Magturo, nakawala ni Mr. Tan. Sila Mr. Lamonte kay Mr. Villamarin. Ow! Mr. Villamarin points by the Tigers. 21-20, 1 point lead by Tigers. Look, Lano, kay Mr. Maite, kay Mr. Magturo, sila Mr. Lamonte kay Mr. Villamarin. But there was organizationship and citizenship. Right? Correct? Don't fall. Remember, Mr. Bilamarin, outside. Bad luck 21. What a match in the second set. Twenty-two, 21 favor of Raptors. Kay Mr. Lamonte. Mr. Lamonte. Oh, wait lang. May bola po. So, may bola po sa Tigers. Ano? Raptors in 1.8, 21-22. Bilamarin. Nakawala ni Mr. Lamonte sa back. Oh! All 22 in the second set. Mr. Mascareñas and Mr. Mascareñas. There was another set ship called by Mr. Our second referee, Miss Landonotto. 22-22, 1-2. By Team Raptors. Mr. Marte. Mascareñas was out by Mr. Mascareñas. Last one, 24-22. Last one for our Raptors in the second set. 22-24. Mr. Martin service back. There wasn't service ever. 23-24. Magturo. There was an all. A two. We have a truce. In the second set, all 24. Maturo. Nakuha ni Mr. Mascarenhas. Sumabot ang bola sa kanila. Mr. Lamonte. Kay Mr. Hago was sa ganda. Oh, the referee was no call. Mr. Mascarenhas. Balik ang bola. Mr. Lamonte. Ay, Mr. Lamonte naman ang bola. Maturo. Maturo. Balik ang bola ni Mr. Hago. Mascarenhas. Nakabola ni Mr. Tan. Balik ang bola. Hago. Bisa Lamonte sa pinatulas kay Mr. Hago back. Still naman si Marte. Bola! Mr. Lamonte. Ah! Mascarenhas. Twenty-five, 24. Mr. Nolo. Kay Mr. Matura. Sinabi kay Hago. Oh my God! End of the second quarter. 1.